mirar la luna. La 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 la.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we proceed, let's start first with an important disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, as cryptocurrency is highly volatile and risky. And also, invest responsibly. Before that guys, to avail our free PCC tokens, just follow our Twitter website here. This is at Professor Cat PCC. So don't forget to follow that guys. So let's go ahead with our main topic for today, which is this, the next 100 times meme coin. Welcome to Professor Cat, the smartest meme coin in crypto. Join the revolution where intelligence meets memes. Don't miss your chance at the next 100 times opportunity. So to join the pre-sale guys, just click right here. Alright, so for our launch countdown, we're currently at 37 days, 15 hours, 37 minutes, and 17 seconds. So the countdown to the biggest meme coin launch is on. So for our price guys, this is increasing every 5 days. So don't miss out the chance while it is still cheap, and avail as much as you can. So for our pre-sale progress, let's help us reach our 1 million gold dollars. This is currently at 0.16%. We currently have $1,569 and of $1 million. So every purchase brings us closer to revolutionizing the meme coin space. So to buy our Professor Cat coin, so purchase PCC tokens instantly with Solana, USDC, or USDT. So this, you can just join it right here. You can just click your details right here so that you can buy our PCC tokens, guys. So important disclaimer that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Make sure you select the correct payment method. So just about a quick background, guys. Meet Professor Cat. Professor Cat is the next big meme coin destined to overtake Pepe and Shiba Inu. With its charming cat mascot and revolutionary community, PCC combines humor with serious gains. Join the crypto universe where memes meet money and fun meets fortune. So, for our key features, guys, this is revolutionary, of course, breaking barriers with innovative tokenomics and explosive growth potential. Market leader, positioned to dominate with superior community and viral potential. Community first, built by holders for holders. Join thousands on this epic journey. Massive reach, viral marketing and influencer partnerships driving global adoption. Secure and safe, audited smart contracts and transparent operations for peace of mind. And lastly, high rewards, of course. Early adopter benefits and staking rewards for maximum gains. So expanding to more DEXs, the coin will be launching on more decentralized exchanges soon. Stay tuned for listing on major platforms to increase liquidity and accessibility for the entire community. So, launch information, get ready for liftoff. Professor Cat coin will be launching on centralized exchanges, and it is coming soon in our Radium launch, long-term vision, and of course, more will be coming soon. And stay tuned, more information and updates are coming soon. So be among the first to join the Professor Cat revolution. So to support our mission, guys, you can just donate right here. Help us grow the Professor Catcoin ecosystem. Every donation, of course, makes a difference. So if you want to donate, guys, you can just log in or put your wallet right here, put your wallet details right here so that you can donate to our website, guys. So your donation helps us develop the platform, grow our community, and bring Professor Catcoin to the world. Thank you for your support. So join our revolution, guys. Connect with thousands of Professor Cat enthusiasts. Stay updated with the latest news, announcements, and dank memes. So for our X and Twitter, you can just click it right here. For our Telegram community, click it right here. So, and of course, if you want to join our Discord server, click it right here. So for our tokenomics, guys, transparent distribution of funds to ensure long-term success, we have here our graph, which is 40% marketing, 26% development, 20% liquidity, and for the developers is 14%. So that's it, guys. This is the Professor Cat Coin, the next big meme coin revolution. So if you want to avail some of our tokens, guys, don't forget to visit our website and also follow our X account so that you can have free tokens, guys. So that's it, guys. See you again for the next video, and bye for now.